is this the best tour that you can do in El Nido?
Come along as we go island hopping on Tour A.
Let's go! Hey guys, my name's Cheno.
My name is Alex.
And welcome to Cheno and Alex. Salamat kuya. Balance. Okay. Maraming salamat po. Okay na kuya. Let's go! Woo. Oh, almost follow your head. I almost follow your head with this. I'll go through there. Ah, okay.
Okay, so we made it here at Big Lagoon. Oh my gosh, look how clear the water is.
So crazy.
Wow.
This is looking stunning, huh?
Yeah, there's a fair bit of people. It's okay. We're just so happy that we're here at Big Lagoon, and the weather's pretty good too. Obviously inside here is not as wavy anymore, and I think it's a little shallow actually. Like,
yeah, this spot's pretty shallow.
It is pretty shallow, but oh my gosh, look how clear the water is.
Welcome to Big Lagoon, you guys.
Oh my gosh, look at this color of the water here now.
It's like emerald green.
Yeah. Oh wow. Actually, this is really Big Lagoon. Look how massive.
There's so much space.
Yeah.
Even though there's a ton of people right now, there's still so much space, plenty of room for everyone. Because this is such a touristy spot, you're gonna expect a lot of people. But you know what? Just enjoy it, you guys, because this is quite amazing to be here. Especially if you don't get to travel much, this is a must-see destination here in El Nido.
Are you tired yet of paddling?
No, I'm actually fine. I think I'm just keeping it chill, just enjoying the views too, so my arms are okay. Let's keep going then. Oh, your hat, babe. Look at sayang yung hat mo. Okay lang sa seawater.
Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, and I need some friends and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life.
Just up here on the side. This is where the shallow part is, and Cheno just flew his drone. It was actually so beautiful. Look at that. Wow, it looks so nice.
We hope you enjoyed the drone footage. I literally flew it while we were on the kayak. Such a crazy view, guys. I mean, Big Lagoon does not disappoint.
Now we're just about to leave and get back on the boat and see you at the next stop. So for our second stop, it's about 10 minutes away from Big Lagoon, is Secret Lagoon. So you cannot see it behind me, but we have to go through the limestone to get to the Secret Lagoon. But I don't think we're gonna go in that one just because there's a lot of people lined up. But there's a beach here which we can go down to and check it out.
Yeah, why don't we check that one out instead? But first, this portion of the video is brought to you by Snap Wireless. So here we've got the Powerpack Universal, which is perfect for travelers like you and me, because as you can see, we're literally charging our devices as we're island hopping here in El Nido. Like, how crazy is this? This is the Powerpack Universal, charging my drone, my camera battery, and my phone. So it's got a couple of inputs, USB-C and USB-A. It's even got 2 built-in cables, a lightning and a USB-C. On top of that, we've got wireless charging for your mobile devices. So check out the link in the description to know more about Snap Wireless and use code ChenoAlex for 5% off. All right, let's get back to the video. Alright you guys, so we've made it to Secret Lagoon. There's a couple of beaches here, and the lagoon itself, well, there's a long line, so I don't know if we're keen to go in, but we do want to just like walk around the beach, probably fly the drone. Kind of want to explore what's, you know, behind the little rock cave looking area. So yeah, let's have a bit of a walk. This beach is looking stunning though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so nice. Like obviously white sand, and then that clear water is beautiful. And it's actually there's such a nice breeze here too,
Yeah.
which is perfect because it's a bit warm today.
If I remember, we were actually here in 2019, but we never went on the beach itself because I was flying the drone, and Alex was trying to catch the drone as we were landing, and she
I cut myself.
Yeah, she cut her fingers because she was catching it the wrong way. So that's the only memory we have of this place. So why don't we make new ones? Whoa, this looks crazy. It's like hidden within these limestone walls, huh?
That's pretty much it actually.
Yeah, I guess that's it. Nothing too crazy.
Walk around here, explore a little bit. If
Look
you
at
don't
that.
want to check out the Secret Lagoon, just stay by the beach.
Yeah, that's right. But look at that revelation. So amazing. There's like the mountains. There's the mountains, the palm trees, and there's some people dining there. I think they're staying at one of those high-end resorts, and they get to have like lunch here with, you know, with the seating, with the table, the ocean and the palm tree views. Like damn, that is an experience. But yeah, this is kind of it here, you guys. It's just massive limestone. All right, let's keep walking. Oh my goodness, this is the view that I'm talking about, you guys. Palm tree, the beach and the ocean. It cannot get any better than this. My goodness. How you like it? Yeah? Are you hungry?
A little bit. I think we're gonna have lunch soon.
Yeah, we're having lunch after this spot. There actually isn't a lot to do here in Secret Lagoon, and these two beaches aren't even the Secret Lagoon. You can find the lagoon, if you saw it in the drone shot, it's actually behind the limestone mountains. And then you've got these couple of beaches which are still quite difficult to swim in because there's a lot of rocks and stones in these ones.
And there's really nothing in the beach as well. Like even though we brought our snorkels with us, there's pretty much no fish as well.
Not so much.
Yeah.
So it's probably more of a chill spot, I guess. So for the next spot, we're gonna have lunch and we will show you just that. So we've stopped at like the side of this limestone mountain. Yeah, we're just gonna have lunch. I think we were supposed to go on an island, but because of the strong winds, the sand might go on the food, but that's you can't see it, but there's a pretty good spread here. So thanks Ape Tours for always looking after us, especially food. Food is the most important, especially when you're island hopping from like 9 a.m. to 5-6 p.m. for the whole day. So you definitely need the energy, and they provide the goods. So tara, kain na tayo.
So we have apple duck, pineapple chunks inside of that carving, red watermelon, yellow watermelon, and orange, eggplant salad, cucumber salad, vegetable spring roll, and we have a banana blossom curry, pakbet, chop suey, we have a shrimp, grilled chicken, and pork, two kinds of fish here, and Filipino power, rice.
Okay, wow, that was a crazy selection of food, as always. Look what we got. I didn't even get rice because I just wanted to get all the ulam and whatnot.
It looks so good. I'm so excited to just like eat now because I'm a little bit starving after all like the things that we've done this morning.
It's only been like 2 stops, but
yeah,
it's exhausting.
It really like takes a lot of your energy swimming against the waves and just trying to get to like the spots.
So, kain na tayo.
Just made it here at Advin's Snorkeling. It's part of Matinloc Island.
Matinloc Island is huge because it has a big lagoon, it's got Secret Lagoon, and then this snorkeling spot. We're pretty full right now, so I think we'll
wait it out a
little bit, but I definitely want to go in and see all the fishes because where we had lunch, there was actually quite a bit of fish.
Yes,
so there must be more here.
This spot is literally for the snorkeling, so hopefully we can find more.
Welcome to our final stop, Seven Commandos Beach. This is a classic stop, and there's
sunset.
Yeah, and there's a lot more people now compared to when we were here in April last year. So there's people actually playing volleyball over there, and then just tons of people throughout the beach. So it's good to see that tourism is back here in the Philippines.
This spot is straight up paradise. If
Yeah.
you can see from when we were still on the boat, the water was so nice.
Yeah.
And the line of palm trees, it just looked like a hidden like paradise.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
So, yeah, this spot is very popular since it's also close to the port.
Yeah, like the town where you get off. So
Yeah, and sunset here are obviously amazing.
yeah, it's always so beautiful here. So yeah, if you get lucky, depending on what tour, they'll end at Seven Commandos, and you'll absolutely love it, you guys. Just trying to find a spot to sit because this place is just packed. So many people. Here we are. Got a cute little setup. Can actually sit down, put our stuff down here. Are you going in the water?
Yeah, later,
Wow.
yes.
It's a common theme here that the sand is very, very soft. Like I love that. There's not much shells, so you can just go barefoot
Yeah.
and just feel the sand on your toes. But oh my gosh, this looks like a pool. The ocean looks like a pool.
know.
It's so clear.
Even the backdrop looks so nice
really
behind you, babe.
with the palm trees behind me.
Like picture perfect.
Yeah,
I don't even
it
care if
looks
there's a lot
so
of people.
nice. It kind of reminds me of like a mini like Boracay or something when there's just a lot of people on one
Yeah.
beach.
Yeah, that's
But
it.
I mean, I cannot blame them. This is a really, really good spot for obviously sunset viewing, and I think just any time, honestly.
How about we go in?
Let's go.
Let's go. You first.
Oh gosh.
It's on camera. Yeah, it looks crazy on camera. Literally like a pool.
So nice. It's a little bit windy actually today, so hopefully you can hear us properly. But it is really nice to be in the water.
Yeah. Seven Commandos. When I first went here in 2017, guys, that's such a long time ago. That was with my family, and so it feels so good that they're back here with us, and we're ending our final island hopping tour in El Nido here at Seven Commandos Beach with my family, and they're here too. They haven't really traveled much since everything locked down. Alex and I obviously have traveled a lot last year, but yeah, what an awesome way to end this day and to end this whole El Nido trip here in Seven Commandos. Wow, what a day, huh?
So good to be able
Yeah.
to spend it here, island hopping, Tour A in El Nido.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty crazy, especially starting off with the Big Lagoon.
Yeah.
Like, I missed that place, and to be
Yeah.
able to finally see it with the sun again, because Alex, when she went there,
Yeah,
it
it
was
was
a
a
bit
bit raining.
Yeah. How was your experience this time?
It was so amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, there was a little bit of people this time, but
Oh, yeah.
honestly, it was still amazing to be able to be back in the Big Lagoon and enjoy the day.
Yeah, it's crazy to see that with your own eyes,
Yeah.
hey. And then the rest of the stops, to be honest opinion, they were kind of okay.
Yeah.
The Secret Lagoon, I think, I didn't go in for a reason, because the line was long. They said it was kind of like murky, because the water's just trapped in there for so
Yeah.
long, so I don't know about that. But the other spots were all right, you know, snorkeling, seeing some fishes.
Yeah.
Wish there was a lot more.
Yeah.
But of course, with any beach stops, at Secret Lagoon or here at Seven Commandos Beach, it is beautiful.
Yeah.
It is stunning.
And we're glad that we're ending the day here at Seven Commandos Beach because honestly, this is the best view for sunset. We would like to thank Ape Tours for letting us join on this
Yes.
tour, Tour A in El Nido.
We hope you enjoyed this vlog showcasing Tour A. Hopefully we helped you a little bit into planning your next El Nido trip. We have videos as well from last year if you want to see what else you can do in El Nido. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, leave it a like, and while you're at it, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next adventure.
Bye.
Bye.